Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. All you Hot Wheel fans out there, welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. There we got two more 2014 5 packs from the crate full that I bought the other day. These are from the race 5 packs. We got Spin Storm and X Racers. Gonna be opening them up and see what they look like. Hope you enjoy. If you do, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. And let's get started. Thanks. First up, from the Spin Storm 5 pack, we'll go Super Nat. Super Nat. Got a little burnt spot right there on it, does it? I don't know if it's as aggravating as the gnats is down in South Georgia, but it is. Them things aggravating. Anyway, it's kind of cute little car. Next one, we got a Mitsubishi Double Shots. Looks like it's got a motor in the front and a motor in the back. It's black, I know that. I guess the next one up, we got Roll Cage. Well, yeah, it's about made out of roll cage, all right. Then next one, we got a little Formula Street Racer. Next up, we got Asphalt Assault. I notice Hot Wheels puts 55 on a lot of their cars. But anyway, that's all of the 2014 Spin Storm 5 pack from the race. Next, we got the X Racers 5 pack. We got Horseplay. It's kind of a weird name. A little fat, pudgy little car. Then we got Road Rocket. Road Rocket. Next up, we got Phantasm. Or, yeah, Phantasm, whatever. Like from that movie Phantasm. If any of y'all ever saw it, pretty good. Got a bad, I think, a 71, 70 CUDA in there. Anyway, Phantasm. Or Phastasm. Anyway, I got stock car. Looks like a Camaro, don't it? Like an F body. Big old wheels. See through. See the motor. Looks like a stock car though. And then last, looks like we got Power Rocket. Power Rocket. I got a turbo there in the middle. Like a jet engine. Two jets coming out of the back. Well, that's pretty cool. I'd like to see it going down the track. We're going to have to race them. But anyway, that's all of the X Racers 5-pack 2014 out of the race. I got more coming. Please like and subscribe. Please come back and check out my other ones. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Thanks.